I'm very excited because we're actually creating a 6-month process for people that have had a high level of achievement in life, or what could be considered achievement. They are looking for something that gives them a deeper sense in their existence. So we help a lot of people with these characteristics, because it's not only like ticking all the boxes and making a lot of money and having all this success, but there's something deeper that our soul and needs and our thread of destiny needs to weave with. And this is a process that we're creating for 6 months. And I just want to share this because I asked, what else do you do and what's your projects for this next coming year and whatnot. So this is one of them, and I'm doing this with Nana Sunuja, with Tata Julio, and Nana Evi, and probably Nana Irma Luz, although she has an awareness of this, but she doesn't really know. But we'll probably bring her into this. And I wanted to share this, and please share your comments.